Having had difficult times in my ICAN journey and later having a smooth journey full of wins, I've discovered that a lot of students are struggling just like I did initially. I've also discovered that the system has trained a set of students that have this escapist mentality, just wishing and hoping that ICAN should just let them go. In fact, I've interacted with students that are full of fear. Some of them haven't even registered to start the ICAN journey. I've met students who are genuinely studying and trying their best, but the system keeps putting them down because they've not risen above the system. I've also seen brilliant students that doubt themselves because of persistent and consistent failures in their examination. Your journey does not have to be full of fear, tears, anxiety, and disappointments. As for me, I've decided to share my knowledge and help as many people rise above the system and leverage the excellent spirit in the ICAN journey.